Well, it's Tuesday,
It is.
and so we're in the collecting attic, or just below the collecting attic, because it's so hard to shoot up there. It's crowded, and it's really filling up with
Especially
toys.
with something that size.
Especially with something this size. Well, you know my love of 8th scale automobile kits.
The bigger the better.
The bigger the better, and Monogram did 8th scale, and MPC did some 8th scale, and Pocher, of course, is well known for their 8th scale. But Heller, the French company Heller, did some 8th scale. And here it is. Oh! Now you can't see me. That's okay,
Peekaboo.
because you
Yeah,
don't
they
need
are.
to see me. This is one big box.
Yeah, look at the size
Look
of
at
that.
the size
Wow.
of that. And the car itself, inside, is pretty big. Now, Heller did this, I think, in a 12th scale.
Oh,
Citroen, very, very nice car. We saw the real thing
Yes.
at, what's his name's collection? Peter Mullen's collection.
Mullen's collection. Yeah.
But they were doing a lot of Citroens and Citroen. And there it is. And I love the car.
Right.
And I wanted to turn this into a taxi cab because they actually used these as taxi cabs in Washington, D.C.
Oh,
for
they
a time.
did?
So I thought a D.C. cab
Oh, my
painted
gosh.
yellow and black check would just be so cool. Well, this is as far as it's gotten. But I'm so dedicated to the project that when someone stole my kit, I bought another one,
Yes.
which is still in the attic and therefore on the to-do list. Anyway, there it is, and it's just frankly huge. And
Yeah. Oh my.
let's see if we can just pull out
Pull out the boxes within
one
the box. Within the
All these boxes are
Oh.
within the box, which is in the box. But
Yeah.
I just want to show you the body.
The body. Look at that. Oh
Because-
my.
It's an incredibly impressive kit, very reasonably priced, all things considered.
It's fragile.
Fragile.
Yeah.
So here's the top, and that
Oh.
gives you some sense of the
The
extreme size
Wow.
of the thing.
Uh-huh.
And here are the tires.
Has a spare.
Yeah.
And the running boards
the
and fenders.
front fenders.
Oh, those are the front
That's
fenders.
the front and rear fenders.
There
aren't
you
they?
go.
Yeah.
No running boards.
So all of the fenders here. So it's just an impressive
It
kit.
is. Wow.
And the body has to build up out of a lot of different pieces because of the huge size of it. But I mean, just seeing how big the top
Oh,
is
that's
gives you a
crazy.
sense of
Yeah.
what you've got there. But I have seen one of these built, and it's not dead gorgeous.
Oh, I
and
bet.
very detailed suspension, very detailed engine. It's a really nice kit. A lot of people don't know Heller because it's a French company,
Yeah.
but clear back when Kevin Mooney and I had the hobby shop, this guy shows up, Nate Polk, one of the two Polk brothers from Aristocraft.
Aristocrat.
Or no, yeah, Aristocraft. I'm sorry,
Aristocraft.
Aristocraft out of New Jersey, and Nate wants to drink whiskey with us, and so that was what he would do. Anyway, he showed us Heller's catalog, and he was representing Heller. And the more I looked at Heller, the more I was just incredibly impressed. And ship models, that's really their claim to fame, are sailing ships.
Sailing ships.
But they've done quite a few nice automobiles, and one, count them, 8th scale. And they're readily available. They're all over eBay and
Wow.
wherever you go looking for your model cars.
Let's see.
A little bit pricey,
Just a little.
but not
yeah.
too bad. I can't remember what this thing was. I want to say it was around 400,
Oh, really?
something like that, 350, 400. I can't recall. And then because it's eBay,
You never
you
know.
just never know. You could put up a search on there, and just every time one comes up, look, and you can go to bet, and one will come up on auction.
Something
and
will come
you
up.
never know what you might pay for it at
Right,
that point. So
yeah.
if you excited,
Yeah.
get one and turn it into a Washington, D.C. taxi cab.
That'd be so cool.
That'd be so cool.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, if you haven't been over to the channel, pop over to the channel. And if you're not a subscriber, do subscribe because it'll make you cool.
Yes.
And we all want to be cool. Even people who aren't cool want to be cool. And then they can become cool by clicking on the blue button and being a subscriber. You ready for the blue button? Zoink! Right there.
Yeah.
Well, we're not sure how you found this movie on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you on Sunday as we go out driving around. See you then.
We'll see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.